we'll guide you through how to fix Apple Watch notifications. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It can be a really annoying problem if you're not going and getting alerts, so let's get into some different fixes you can try doing. So first of all, let's go and press on the side button on the watch like so, and get into the control center here. What you want to do is make sure you haven't got a focus mode on, because that can go and silence notifications. You can see here I've got the moon icon, which means do not disturbs on, which is silencing them. So I can tap there to go and turn it off. Now go and see if that solves the problem. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, press the digital crown on the side and get to your apps. And then what you want to do is go and open up the settings app like so. And what you then want to do is go and find the option for notifications. And you can go through here and make sure the settings are enabled. For example, notifications indicator, I want that to be on, and you can scroll through and go and adjust these settings. Personally, I like to have them all on just to make sure I can take advantage of the features. Go and see if that solves the problem for you. If it doesn't, then what you can do is come onto your iPhone and you need to go and open up the watch app like so. You want to go to the bottom left and click My Watch, and you then want to go and find notifications. So we can see the settings here as well. But if we scroll down, we can then go and see the notification settings for apps. So for example, I could come into Mail here, and what I've got is set Mirror My Phone. You can have that set there, or you can set it to custom, and you want to make sure Allow Notifications is set, and you can then go and customize these other settings as well. See if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, we can go and perform a restart just to go and fix any bugs or glitches. To do that, hold the crown and the side button as well together. Keep these held down until you see the Apple icon. When you see the Apple icon, you can release and it will start. Hopefully now your problem is solved. If you found this useful, then leave a like.